Do not hide your talents under a bushel. Use them every single day to make the world a better place, not only for yourself, but also for other people. The Zohar states that sunlight travels through space to illuminate the earth. If this is true, then why is outer space dark? The answer is that there is nothing to reflect the sunlight off. We need to bring our talents out so that the light can reflect on them. Are you waiting for someone to change the current chaos back into the structure that we were used to? In your heart of hearts, what do you believe are the chances of that? The world has changed irrevocably, and it will not change back to the evil that has been rooted out. Thank goodness for that. Those people who have been waiting for a savior to get them out of this mess will wait for much longer. Those people will understand that God is within, have peace and solace, because they know that communing with the God of love simply means going within and connecting with God, who is there to show His love and light and mercy every single day and night of our lives. All we need to do in return is to become shining beacons in this world so that we contribute to light overcoming darkness. Namaste.